Hi guys! Yay! I got a tutorial for you today. Maybe you can see it from the title, it's like a Playdate with makeup. It's a Playdate tutorial inspired by Easter. So yeah, and you can see I have my spring nails on. This is Mint Candy Apple by Essie. I love this color. And this is just a Playdate with makeup. It's been a while since I made a Playdate just playing with colors, and I did that, and I told the result is so cute. So if you want to see how I create this, yeah, Easter inspired Playdate makeup, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. Taking off my glasses, and we're starting out with a primer. Now I finally got one. This is the Maybelline Master Prime. It has a different, yeah, shape, as you can see from the American version. I'm still trying it out, but so far I'm impressed with it. So let's get this on. Now it's concealer time. I'm taking the NYX full coverage concealer in green and my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease. I'm just going to cover up some redness here from blemishes I extracted. These down here, they are. What is it? Blemishes from when I waxed the other day, and some dormant blemishes came up. I'm taking the other NYX full coverage concealer I have, and this is an Alabaster. I'm just going to conceal my usual places like my under eye circles and a bit of highlight here, around the nose, my cheeks, just the usual gig. And then I'm blending out with my beauty sponge. Pretty sure some of you have been wondering, now you're watching me putting on my concealer first and not my foundation. Well, back in what is it? It was back in the early zeros, where I was 12, 13. There was no such thing called YouTube. And I was a little bit of a model back then at a little camp with my class, and I was a little doll, and then I was introduced to makeup. So I've just been, okay, this is my gig. This is how I do my makeup. I put on concealer first, because then I'm highlighted and covered. So yeah, as far as it's not until now with all of YouTube that I also see, okay, you can put foundation on first, but there's no rules to makeup, as you know. Now, foundation. I am taking the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Porcelain. I've actually just made an order, so I will also get the darker version, a darker tone of it. What was it? Light neutral or something like that. Just because I'm starting to tan, so I want a little bit of dark color. So then, how many drops do I want today? I want around, let's 14. 14, let's take 14. And I'm just going to buff that onto the skin. I'm just going to brush through my brows and set them with the Maybelline Brow Drama. I can almost talk that. And then I will be back. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm using the NYX HD Finishing Powder and my beauty sponge for that. Love beauty sponges. I need to get more of these because they're so easy to use. The thing that I challenged myself to get a beauty sponge because it's so easy. Got out of my comfort zone just with the brushes. Even though I love brushes. There, powdered face. Now I'm just going to do the right side of my face, and then I will be back. Now it's time for the eye. As you can see, it's done. I played around. It's like a little play date around today. So I'll be using my M.Cosmetics Day and Night palette. This is such a good starter palette. But first, primer. I'm taking my NYX HD eyeshadow base. This is so good at it. Yeah, holding it onto the shadows. And we're in the day side, obviously. I'm taking my transition color right there. As you can see, I could pan this, not much left. And if you don't have a transition color, use your contour color. It's a very easy substitute, and you always have a contour shade at your disposal. So I'm just gonna apply this to my crease. And the next color I'm taking is this purple. I was very inspired by my background. I will show you when we're done. I'm taking this same brush as I did with the crease color, and I will apply it to my crease just so I will get that purplish hue. It's a nice pastel pink, but if you want more impact, you can wet the brush. I just want that hue of purple. Now I'm taking my Beige shadow brush by Real Techniques, and I'm taking this pink. I adore it. I actually never used it before, so this is the first time I'm using it in this. And then I'm just gonna apply it. And I'm applying it very far in, actually across the middle of the eye. And I'm flipping the brush and I'm taking the yellow in this day side. It's such a gorgeous yellow, and I'm applying that to the inner part of that and blending it into the purple. As you can see, I got a little bit too far. I'm just gonna flick it off. It's all about adding and blending. We want a nice gradient here. And I'm taking my blending brush and I'm just going to blend my crease colors and my lid colors. I'm just going to apply shadows for my lower lash line, and I'm just going to use the same colors I used for my crease. On my crease brush by Beige. That. And some purple. Really hue. Now I'm taking my angled shadow brush, and then I'm taking this shimmery white to get a bright inner corner highlight. It's Easter, so we can do that. And also brow bone. Right now some drafts, and now you can see the background. So Eastery with the pinks and purples and also some yellow and whites. I love this background. So now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using my NYX matte liquid liner in black, and I'm winging it out a little bit just so we have that lift of the eye. And I'm going to apply the NYX Light On eyeliner in jet black to my top waterline and on my lower waterline. I'm taking the Sephora eyeliner in Infinite Beige, just a nude eyeliner, to make the eye look awake and bright. Curling my lashes and applying my Maybelline Lash Sensational waterproof mascara, so I'll be right back. And there we go, now it's time for the rest of the face. I'm taking my NYX blush in taupe, as you can see, yay, finally hidden pan. Taking my contour brush, and I'm just going to contour, get some life into this pale face. Now it's time for blush. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution palette in Hot Spice, and I'm taking this color right there. It's a nice spring color. Wash your cheeks with that. And then for highlight, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution highlight palette in Radiance. I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush. Yes, I got this finally. I'm taking the middle color. I adore this brush for highlighter. Just packs it on, and the brush is so soft. Look at that. And then cute as well. And then for lipstick, I'm taking one of the matte lipsticks from NYX, and this is in the color Couture. Love this. And now we're done. A little Playdate makeup tutorial inspired by Easter and all its colors. I just love it now. I thought I had a good eyeliner day, but apparently I didn't. So anyway, that happens to all of us, don't it? So yeah, but this is such a cute look. It's not that often I really make a Playdate with makeup, so this was a good opportunity because it's Easter. Let's check it out with my frames. Yeah, it's still cute. It's still cute. I like that. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. Then you can follow me on my social medias. And then I will see you in my next video. Happy Easter!